Hello, I'm Jeff from First Choice Mobility Limited, and today I'm going to introduce a new product and show you some of its features. Here we have the Karma Ergo MVP 502 reclining wheelchair. 502 comes with the seat belt as standard, can have a harness as an option. The headrest cushion is adjustable. Arms will flip back, side transfer. They are also height adjustable. When you recline the chair, the arms articulate, stay level with the chair. Leg rests swing away from the chair, and they are height adjustable to any angle. The advantages of this chair is that it is foldable. Quite a lot of these style chairs are fixed frame. This one folds for transportation. You remove the headrest. You can either flip back the calf pad and foot plate or remove the seat cushion and fold the chair. You have a lever here. You can stop in any angle and fall back to this position. It has two levers on the push handles. The red lever is the brake. The black lever is the recline lever. Let go of the lever for the angle required. The unique seating system increases comfort and prevents the user sliding forward when in a reclined position. The chair is available in 6 seat widths from 15 to 20 inches wide. There is a maximum user weight of 18 stone, available in transit or self-propelled versions, and the Karma MVP 502 is fully crash tested. For further information, details or specification, visit our website or call one of the team.